Now that we have set up our basic action, tried the hello world, let's have a look at what else we have here inside the action. We already learned that tab 1 is what returns the data. So everything inside the layout gets returned here on the tab 1. And as the name implies, there might be also tab 2, tab 3, and so forth. Another returning function here is related to our div functionality. A little like with HTML, divs are containers that can exist on top of the view, and we can preload them with context on a click. More about that later. Inside the views folder, the main view is always named view. If you use the extension creator, your namespaces are set, so you don't need to change them. What you might want to do though is create additional views. On the example action, we have page 2 as an additional view, and it's up to the controller to define which view is used. So when we open the controller, inside the controller we have methods that start with action, and action default corresponds to a root called default. Let's have a look here. We have an on-click event. On this. We have an on-click event that takes user to a certain route. So it's saying that controller, default, and the last bit that you see there is what we call a menu ID. So that's available to controller using this get menu ID. Controller returns the name of the view that we use, and the data gets passed on. It's an array where we define the data, and in this case, if we go back to the action and look at what we have here, we have set of fields configured for this action.